Immerse in the symphony of raindrops, nature's own orchestra playing a soothing serenade. Listen as each drop collides with the ground, a crescendo of sound that whispers tranquility. Hear the rustle of leaves as they dance in the downpour, a ballet choreographed by the wind. From a gentle drizzle to a thunderous cloudburst, rain speaks a language understood by the soul. It tells a story of renewal, washing away the old and nurturing the new. Whether it's the rhythmic patter on your window, or the intense drumming on a tin roof, rain's chorus is a lullaby to the weary, a muse to the artist, a companion to the solitary. So close your eyes, breathe, and let the sounds of the rain transport you to a world of tranquility and peace. Tune in again for another escape into the sounds of nature.